welcome to another My Two Good Hands video. We are here working on another project. Here's the projects that save you money. Easy, you can do it yourself, at home, in your driveway, in your garage, at your marina. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Welcome to another My Two Good Hands video. We're talking batteries and we're talking chargers today. So what we're going to do is we're going to go over here. We're going to show you how to install a small trickle charger on your main battery. This is a 2 amp. It's the Genius. We will show you a link in the description down below on where you can get this. The only other thing we're going to need in our case is a 8mm wrench. So here's our battery. We got a couple connectors and we've got our 8mm wrench right here. So what we're going to do is we're going to clip these wires into here. So all we're going to do is take this loose. And normally what you would do here is loosen this one and take it off so you don't have to worry about shorting the positive. But I don't want to lose all my settings, so you got to be careful not to ground yourself out to the vehicle when you do this. Apparently the threads are a little messed up at the end here. We're going to put the black wire, which is the negative, onto here. Just like this. A flange nut will hold it. Your battery posts are dirty. Now's a good time to clean them. And you got these loose. Okay, so that's on that one. Now, if this one's got the rubber boot, you can take the rubber boot and kind of push it out of the way here. Again, you want to be sure you don't short yourself out to the vehicle. So we're going to put this on here and see how easy this one comes loose. Get the nut off, take the wire on back on here, and then put this back on. Interesting, brand new. Both of them are stripped at the end. That's all right. There you go. We are tightened up. We're on there. This is to cover that terminal. Doesn't fit that well, but it's on there. Now, your battery charger, it's got a place you can screw it to mount it, or in our case, what we're going to do is we're just going to say this is what we're going to do. It's got this dandy Velcro strap. We're going to take the handle. We're going to put the Velcro strap around the handle here and back through the battery mount. That's Velcroed in place. We've got our wiring. We can put a tie wrap on this to make it neater. That's not going to come off the handle. The reason we left it short, we don't want anything going in the fan when we're going down the road. So we're going to plug this into extension cord. I'm going to take this cord and go plug it in my wall. Let's see that running or not. All right, we'll have to close our garage door here, so stay tuned. So now you can see that this is clearly charging the battery. You can see right here. We're just going to fold this like this. You can see where that is. Easy to plug and unplug here. We're going to get a tie wrap and kind of neaten these wires up a little bit right here while that charges. So let's get a tie wrap. Okay, so we're back with a tie wrap. So we can kind of clean these wires up here and tie wrap this tight. Okay, and cut those off later. We can see we're still charging. That's good. Now this cord will always take out, the white cord. The white cord won't stay with the RV. There you go. We will take and snip that off so it looks nice. So don't forget, like and subscribe to My Two Good Hands. There was an easy fix. Now we're plugged in the wintertime and we're trickle charging. We don't have to worry about the battery for the engine going dead in our RV over the winter. So catch you in the next fun video. Parts are in the description below. Don't forget to like and subscribe.